My hamburger ate the rainforest. What does that mean, you may ask? Well, it means that the hamburger that you eat is causing deforestation. The farmers that grow the beef cut down the rainforest to make room for cattle ranching. Cattle ranching is really bad and affects the environment because the cattle ranchers cut down the trees for their own use, like to build houses and furniture. The cattle ranchers also do something horrible, kill the cows to eat.
Please explain what you're planning on doing with this farm.
We plan on using this farm for cattle ranching.
Do you know what cattle ranching does to the rainforest?
Nope, but I'm getting my beef.
That's terrible. We have to write a story on this right now.
Boss. Wait. Hello? Yes?
No time for that. I have a latest story on cattle ranching.
So what is cattle ranching? So explain to me what cattle ranching is.
Cattle ranching is when people in the rainforest are just cutting down trees that it needs to survive so they can get beef by slaughtering the cows.
Well, that's messed up. If you want to write this story so badly, go and get it done.
It'll be good. I'm going to visit another farmer familiar with cattle ranching. Sir, you have quite a lot of land here for such little cows.
Well, this is my business, so I put my life into it.
Do you know how much land has been taken up specifically because of cattle ranching?
No.
1,700,000 acres. Finish the article.
Okay, can I read it?
Yes.
Okay. In Brazil, people are cattle ranching. What is cattle ranching, you may ask? People raise cattle specifically to get meat. This is actually bad for the rainforest. You're cutting down trees that the rainforest needs to survive. They won't stop, and it's up to us to the rainforest. Check out our website at www.driversnews.org.
Cutting down trees that the rainforest needs?
So I get my beef.
I have to go back to the station and write a story on this.
Make a complete fool of ourselves. Yep.
Go. Alright, and it is published. Let's hope those farmers see this. Cutting down trees that the rainforest needs?
So I get my beef.
I have to go back to the station and write a story on this.
Make a complete fool of ourselves. Yep.